About Cars Chopper Special Episode. आज हम आपको बताएंगे everything that you wanted to know about a chopper. From how to build a chopper, how to own one, and the 5 most beautiful roads in the world that you must ride your choppers on. तो सबसे पहले शुरुआत करते हैं विद एन इंट्रोडक्शन टू अ चॉपर. आखिर चॉपर्स होते क्या हैं, व्हाट मेक्स देम सो स्पेशल, हाउ टू ओन वन, हाउ टू मेंटेन अ चॉपर, एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू नो अबाउट दिस मैसिव मशीन.
भर की बाइक कंपनियां जहां एक तरफ परफॉर्मेंस की साख पर एक दूसरे से कम्पीट करती हैं, तो वहीं डिजाइन और लुक्स के डिपार्टमेंट्स में भी हमेशा कंपटीशन रहता ही है. लेकिन कई बाइक्स और उनके यूनिक डिजाइन के बावजूद नथिंग मैचेस द रोड प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ चॉपर.
Choppers are known for their dynamic design. In America, most of the motorcycles they would chop and give a really long front end, really fat tires. So there's a lot of characteristic nature of a chopper, but it looks really wacky and cool.
चॉपर की लार्जर देन लाइफ लुक्स इन्हें ड्रीम मशीन बनाती हैं. हर बाइक लवर अपनी बाइक को कभी न कभी चॉपर में मॉडिफाई जरूर करवाना चाहता है. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ द राइडिंग कंफर्ट अ चॉपर ऑफर्स. चॉपर्स को राइडर अपने हिसाब से कस्टमाइज करवा सकता है, विच मीन्स यू कैन अचीव योर परफेक्ट राइडिंग पोजिशन.
We start with the structure. We get the structure to look like a chopper. It's a really low saddle height. It's a really long front end, really wide tires in the back, and really stretched out handlebars. So we sit down and understand what his personality is, where his tastes lie, what is he looking for from his motorcycle. And once we've understood that, we show him several variations of what is possible. When he locks in and approves the design, we go ahead to build, and we kind of incorporate all of his requests in the motorcycle.
चॉपर बनाना कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है, बशर्ते आप इसे किसी प्रोफेशनल से बनवाएं. Getting the right structure, visualizing the bike much before it's made, and fitting each and every part together इस प्रोसेस के अहम हिस्से हैं.
Once we get the structure right, we move on to do the more aesthetic sheet metal parts, the front rear fenders, tank. So they're all really highly stylized parts. Once we have the entire motorcycle put together, we open it up for paint and chrome and give it a custom paint job, give it a really cool chrome finish or a powder coat finish to get it having really strong personality.
कस्टम चॉपर्स का दूसरा बड़ा एडवांटेज है कि इसकी लुक्स को आप अपने हिसाब से बनवा सकते हैं. यानी आपका वाला ऑरेंज या फिर आपके पसंद का ग्राफिक आप अपनी बाइक पर बनवाकर इसे सबसे यूनिक लुक दे सकते हैं. While this is a great idea, you must know that not all bikes support modifications. चॉपर्स बनाने के लिए आपके पास रॉयल एनफील्ड या फिर हार्ले डेविडसन जैसी कोई दमदार बाइक होनी चाहिए. मेंटेनेंस की फिक्र छोड़िए, क्योंकि ये आम बाइक की तरह कहीं भी कभी भी आराम से रिपेयर की जा सकती है और कोई भी मैकेनिक इसे रिपेयर कर सकता है.
We build all the parts, so all spares are available with us. Maintenance depends on how you use the motorcycle. They're pretty much as easy to maintain as a stock bike. It's simple cosmetic and mechanical changes that can be done by any mechanic.
Interested but not sure if you should cut your bike into a chopper? Try the bolt-on kit. ये ready to use kit है जिसे किसी भी बाइक पर आसानी से फिट करके उसके लुक को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जा सकता है. यानी बिना अपनी बाइक को पूरी तरह खोले आप इसे एक रिफ्रेशिंग लुक दे सकते हैं. तो अगर आपने चॉपर खरीदने का मन बना लिया है तो मुंबई या पुणे में आप वर्धांची के डीलरशिप स्टोर्स विजिट कर सकते हैं या फिर ऑनलाइन बुकिंग का सहारा ले सकते हैं.
We are paving the path and we are kind of organizing the sector. Dealer format is, he promotes the part, the products, explains them to the customer, shows them the options available, And then once the order is placed, we manufacture and fabricate from within Mumbai and send it to our dealer. Currently, we are setting up Western region, which is Pune, Goa, Mumbai, and Kolhapur. And then we'll look at southern regions like Bangalore, and we'll then venture north.
अगर आपने मन बना लिया है to own one of your personality, it can cost you around 70,000 to 4.5 lakhs, depending on the way you want the outlook from the collection of Vedic, Canon, Infinity, Hammer, and much more.
Welcome back after the break. So are you ready to ride a chopper? Now this is one of the latest productions from Vidyanshi Motorcycles. ये है Royal Enfield की Twins Pack, which is a 350cc engine. Now from no angle she looks like a Royal Enfield anymore, thanks to all the customization that has happened on the bike. To start with, गाड़ी में बहुत अच्छे दो very understated body graphics किए गए हैं, which makes it look very cool and classy. बाइक के ऊपर projector headlamps दिए गए हैं. Now projector headlamps is a feature very common with most cars these days. The best thing about a projector headlamp is that it gives better illumination, which means better visibility while you're riding. The shape of the tank is very nice. What is unique and quite cool about this bike is that you can actually have someone sitting right behind you while you're enjoying your chopper. So it is one of the very few choppers that have double seat and which has a very comfortable double seat. We will also figure out once we go for a ride. Another good thing about the bike is 200 mm rear tire, which is obviously very particular about a chopper. It is quite wide. So all said and done, the coolest thing about this chopper is that गाड़ी बहुत ही compact है, still आपको double seat का advantage देती है. So while it is a chopper, it is still very compact and it still gives you the advantage of having a pillion rider with you. So now let's just take her out for a ride and figure out how good she is on the run. First things first, when you're riding a chopper, you are surprised by the lightweightness of the bike. Bike बहुत ही lightweight है, especially ये जो Vidyanshi की bike मैं चला रही हूँ, जिसे अक्षय ने specially बनाया है with 2-seater chopper, जिसमें आप pillion rider को भी carry कर सकते हैं. It's a very lightweight bike, which I think is the first big thing about the bike, which is a very good welcome change in a bike like this size. And इसे लड़कियां भी बहुत आराम से चला सकती हैं. Like you can see, I can very easily ride the bike. ये जो बाइक हम राइड कर रहे हैं, it is a compact chopper. तो turns में or if you have to take a U-turn, it is not at all difficult in this bike. You can maneuver her very easily. You will enjoy riding this one. और choppers की एक बहुत ही amazing road presence होती है. These bikes, you know, they get all the attention on the road. Choppers में आम बाइक की तरह ही mechanics जो होते हैं वो सब same होते हैं. Your gears, your brake, everything is where it is in a regular bike. The only thing that is different in a chopper is the feel that you get when you ride a chopper. So largely it is the larger than life feeling and the feeling that you are basically riding a huge bike while it is also comfortable is what makes a chopper different. Also, they are so unique looking that no other bike on the road will look like your bike. So it is a complete exclusive bike that you get. It's a very good feeling to ride a chopper, and not just because you're getting a lot of attention, also because it's a good riding fun. It's all about getting used to with the bike and the weight of the bike. I'm sure after a riding of a day, you will get very comfortable with your chopper and you will enjoy it. चॉपर्स आपको उतना ही माइलेज देंगे जितना कि एक रेगुलर रॉयल एनफील्ड देती है, या जो भी इंजन आपने यूज़ किया है अपने चॉपर को बनाने के लिए. मे बी इट विल गिव यू अ लिटिल बेटर माइलेज बिकॉज चॉपर्स यू वोंट बी राइडिंग वेरी फास्ट. The only thing that you might think that your chopper is missing would be maybe the pickup of the bike. But trust me guys, choppers are never meant to be going very fast or, you know, performing like a sports bike. They are basically cruisers and they are meant to go and make your ride comfortable, basically when you're riding for long hours and long distances. Finally, I would give a thumbs up to this bike for being amazing in handling, in straight line stability, the feel-good factor that she gives you, and the sheer pleasure of riding a chopper that you get out of this bike. If you are sold to the idea of buying a chopper, stay tuned to Mad About Cars, क्योंकि एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद हम आपको बताएंगे the world's 5 most beautiful roads to ride your chopper on. चॉपर्स को चलाने का मजा सिटी ट्रैफिक में नहीं है. You need a great location, some great highway to enjoy your chopper ride. तो चलिए हम आपको बताते हैं the 5 of the most beautiful roads in the world that you must ride on before you die.
सर पे नीले आसमान को साथ लिए अपने चॉपर बाइक पे सवार दुनिया भर के नजारे दिखाने के लिए हम लेकर आए हैं 5 बेस्ट रोड्स जहां जिंदगी में